guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this horniman museum filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Let me remove this first. Okay, you have to visit this website. Link to this website you can find in the description box below. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and it will open in Snapchat like this. Then tap on unlock for 48 hours. Okay, so this is the filter. Let's go inside. So that's it guys. Likewise you can find this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.